thinking of getting a pair of chaps these cooler days.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
They make a pair that has a zip-out liner, so you can wear them on hot weather, well, hotter weather.
Yeah. Well, that's good, because it gives you more protection if you laid it down.
Yeah, that too.
Wouldn't tear up your leg.
Put a throttle boss on this, my throttle side of my handlebar here after that ride to Joseph last year.
Yeah?
My throttle hand got so darn numb and sore and cramping up. I'm hoping this throttle boss will allow me to hold my speed yet relax my grip a little more.
Oh, that's true. That should help.
Can be a little dangerous though if you ain't watching it.
Yeah.
You can pop your throttle open just by touching it.
Oh.
You hear any wind in the mic?
Not much. Now these things charge a long time, because I rode this thing all winter and I've only charged it once.
Yeah.
I used it all winter, and it was only down to, it blinked 3 times. So I charged it up, and now it's blinking 4 again. So they last a long time.
Yeah, mine had 3 reds. I charged mine. 3 reds could be down as low as 30%.
Oh, really? 30%?
3 reds is 30 to 70%.
Oh.
It charged this morning, probably hour and a half. Hour and a half.
Yeah, it don't take long. It's like a phone. I don't have well, I got a cigarette lighter charger, and I guess that's what you have too. And so then I got a plug-in, I got a socket. So anyway, I got a plug-in, so I plug it in the wall.
Yeah.
So I plug my cigarette lighter thing in the wall.
I just plug mine into my USB port on a laptop.
Oh.
For this camera, I want to get I forget what they call them exactly, a power something or other. It's about the size of a cigarette pack, or maybe a little bigger. And just run a wire from it, carry it in my shirt pocket, and run a wire from it to the camera. And I won't run out of battery all day long.
Yeah, okay.
It's a separate power source. Excuse me.
Yeah, it's a little chilly out here.
Could be worse. Could be 20 below.
Yeah, I know.
Still February.
That's true. It's a warm February.
It's balmy for February.
I've seen us have that Arctic cold move down, and like we had in November, I've seen, we've had those in February before. I can't remember what year it was. I don't know, it was late 80s. We had one of those cold spells that come down, and it was February. It was down to single digits, below zero at night, about the first week of February.
We had one this year, except it was November.
Yeah, I know. I know. I think winter's over. I'm going to go down, and my barbecue tank is down underneath the house, hooked up to my big buddy heater, and it's out of gas. I just turned it on and left it. So I'm going to go down and throw in there and get my tank. So barbecue. And my trouble light's down there. I'm not going to be using that again this year. Well, at least there's no gravel on the corners. You know, the road's good.
Well, roads have been dry for quite a while. Traffic's probably got a good enough time to kick it off.
Yeah, they've been sanding this road for a long time, if ever. They might have put sand on here once or twice this winter. That'd be about it. Still got to figure out how to get this damn Jeep Gadley to work on my snowmobile. I don't know. I got to figure out how come the damn thing shuts off when it gets above an idle. I got to figure out why it's doing that.
How'd you connect the wires?
What?
How'd you connect the wires? Did you use those little suitcase thingies I showed you, or what?
Well, I can't remember how James and I did it down there at the shop. I can't remember how he did it, but I don't know. It doesn't work above an idle. I don't know why. I gotta figure out. Might take it down to the skidoo shop and ask him where to hook up so it doesn't do that.
Still works fine on the bike, don't it?
Oh yeah, it works fine on the bike. It works on the sled at an idle, but it seems to accelerate it quick.
That still sounds like a loose connection.
Yeah, I know, it does. That's good.
Electricity from that circuit to provide it to something else.
Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to see. I'll have to find out. I think I'll just take it down to the skidoo dealer and ask that guy that worked on my sled, ask him where to hook it up to. I meant to do that, but I was so glad to get that goddamn thing out of there. I forgot all about it. It's like a little gravel here.
Yeah, see that.
In the center. Yeah, I'm going to have to talk James into getting one of these so we can all talk on this thing.
they make a whole bunch of different brands, and they're all supposed to connect and work together.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I don't know what he's doing today, but yeah, well, he's probably busy doing something else. It's a little cold anyway. On a nicer day and we take a longer ride, we'll talk to James and see if he wants to go. Get him a headset so we can talk to him. Well, I think I can go down to start off up here and go down to the boat dock and have a cigarette or a drink, and I think I'll go back home. It's a little cool out here.
You need to think you're going snowmobiling in 55-degree weather.
Yeah,
you'd probably dress a little warmer then, wouldn't you?
Yeah, it's just a little warmer. Plus, it's got more wind protection than what this thing has. What the hell are you doing there? Huh?
Are they trimming trees or what?
I guess. I don't know. What the hell? Besides, I want to take my sled into the Yamaha shop before o'clock, and so they can check the alignment of those clutches. I wish I had done that before I took it home. I just put a $50 belt on it. I better make sure they're okay. Oh, here we go. Oh, there we go. Sure. Didn't know we had any people behind us. I didn't do a very good signal.
I was signaling.
Good. I'm glad somebody was.
Yeah, this little spot kind of sneaks up on you if you don't know where it's at.
Yeah, well, I knew where it was at, but it still snuck up on me. Oh, man, that's a full reservoir. My God. They better release some water. It might overfill. I remember one year they did that. They had to release water so it wouldn't overfill, and they actually released too much. They could have shut it down sooner. They didn't quite fill it, and they could have if they hadn't released so much.
Yeah.
But I remember they had to do that. It wasn't that long ago. I think it was about 2011. I think it was. This thing had a good carryover, and it filled right up.
Looks a little thin for ice fishing, don't it?
Yeah, a little thin for that.
Supposed to be a big pothole down there somewhere. Oh, I see it, I think. About halfway down, all the way across.
Yeah.
And of course, they're getting complaints about it.
I don't know if I can get a place to park here. I'll have to tip over here. Gonna sit? I guess it is. I've been. Where's everybody at here?
Got a lot of wind in your mic.
Yeah, I had my helmet up. Get my speaker here by. There we go. Oh, what the? Tell you. Okay. Today they were going to have a snowmobile poker run up at Sumter.
Yeah, how those poker runs work?
Well, you pick your card up and then out of a hat, and then you drive to another checkpoint. On the floor somewhere, you get another card.
Yeah.
You just go to different checkpoints and pick up cards.
The 5-card hand, or?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're going to have one at the motorcycle rally too, up over Anthony somewhere.
Oh yeah. Oh, so where's the ride going to be this year?
Well, the road they're featuring this year, they're calling it the Ogre. It's the one across Brownlee and over into Idaho.
Oh, that one. Okay. I did that one by myself that day. It's hotter than shit. God, that was hot. Damn hot. I couldn't find a place to stop. Get out of the shade. Get out of the sun.
Yeah, you went way late here for that road. I think motorcycle rally weekend is too late too. But they go down to Hell's Canyon Dam, so
yeah,
can't get any hotter than that.
I got a buddy of mine that I used to snowboard with him. Now he goes over to those sand dunes over there at the coast. He has a sand buggy now. He doesn't do snowmobiling anymore, but he's got about an 82, 83 Venture, one of those big old Yamaha Ventures. Anyway, he's got one of those. I stopped and talked to him yesterday. I was in Ontario, but he was gone for a week. And I talked to his brother. His brother was the only one at the shop. He has a starter alternator shop there in Ontario. Repairs alternators for farmers. Anyway, I went over there to see him, and he was gone for the weekend. We went out to the sand. He went to the coast, went to the sand dunes. But anyway, he's got an old Venture, and I could hook up with him too. Maybe.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a little gravel on these corners.
Yeah, there is. Up in these gorge up here in Sumter. Yeah, it's a little cool. Yeah, it's all right.
take my windshield down to Artcraft Monday. See if a guy can cut about 2 inches off the top of this thing.
Oh, okay.
On top of this windshield is right where my eyeballs want to be.
Yeah.
I could get a new one, it'll fit. Just the glass, don't have to buy the hardware or anything. The stuff I have will work.
Oh.
It's about 3 inches shorter. But it's like, 99 bucks, that's what it was.
Yeah.
Either 2 inches taller or 2 inches shorter, it'd be just right.
Yeah. Mine's just right, because it's just high enough to deflect bugs over me and low enough I can see over it. I have no problem with my windshield. Stand there in the middle. Red truck turning.
Yeah. Yeah, last corner I almost dived to the inside, and then I saw that's where the gravel was.
Sure nice having my mirror back. Got that damn GPS off my mirror.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah, I think it's probably the first time I rode a road bike in February.
Yeah. Well,
I'd say maybe there's something to that global warming, but I think back east they'd argue the point.
yeah. I don't know. You know, but it convince people in Boston, Massachusetts, there's global warming.
Yeah.
Right now, that's the way the air pattern's stuck right now. We've got a high pressure ridge over the west, and a low pressure cold is coming down right over northeast. So whenever we have bad winters, they have bad, but they guys consider bad. But when we don't get no snow, they get all the snow.
Yeah. Hey Rod, your mic might be outside your helmet. I get a lot of wind.
Really?
A lot more wind now.
Well, oh, there it is. All right, how's that?
There we go, that's better.
Yeah.
And I can still hear it a little, but you were cutting out too. I couldn't understand.
Oh. Hey, you're right there behind me.
I know.
got somebody on her butt, I see. Just better speed up.
I hear you're going snowmobiling tomorrow.
Well, yeah, James wants to go out one more time.
Yeah. Yeah, riding a bike, the snowmobile, the same weekend, huh?
Yeah, how about that?
Only in Eastern Oregon and other northern climes.
I know some guys that they went snowmobiling up at halfway, and then he went down to Richmond and rode jet skis the same day.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, you got lots of wreckage in there.
Yeah. Oh, that's when that freeway wrecked that truck.
Yeah.